Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. Mental health. My series I'm currently busy with is self and self-esteem. You're more than welcome to look at the other videos. My first series was about true love. My second series was about self-love. Today I do about excessive self-esteem. You could go back to the other videos about self and self-esteem and you will find different things about the self-esteem. It is often mislabeled as narcissism. However, there are some distinct traits that differentiate these terms. So, how do you know? So, people with excessive self esteem do number one, maybe preoccupied with being perfect. Number two, may focus on always being right, they never wrong. They never say sorry. They will always stand on their ground. They are right. Number three, may believe they cannot fail. That's your biggest mistake. You can fail. Number four, may believe they are more skilled or better than others. Nobody's better than others. God created each one with different abilities because there's different things that must be done, different tasks, different goals that must be succeeded in life. 5. May express grandiose ideas. 6. May grossly overestimate their skills and abilities. So they will go for things that they're not ready with, that they didn't even be able to do. They don't prepare for it because they think, oh, we can do this. Don't be a Corin or don't be cocky and think, oh, I'm better than you. That's the quickest you fall on your ass. When self-esteem is too high, it can result in relationship problems, difficulty with social situations, and an ability to accept criticism. How many of you will threaten somebody to stay with you? Or tell them, oh, do you know you won't get better than me? Stay with me. The only way you better is being authentic. To have a too high self-esteem is not being authentic. Authenticity is far more worth in this world, in God's eyes, than anything else. Follow, share, and like. If you want to hear more about it, comment. I would love feedback and more topics that you guys are interested in. Thank you.